Hello, Bonnie English here. Well, lots of people say to me, why do you ride a motorbike? You can't dress up, wear nice clothes. Well, I'm here to prove you wrong. Today I'm visiting the beautiful English city of Winchester to do a little spot of retail therapy. It's a hot summer's day. I need to dress into something a bit cooler. I'll show you how, girls. Okay, so to start with, bring something light and easy to pack. I've got a little summer dress here and a pair of lightweight pumps. Can't go wrong. So for those of you that know me, you know that I like to take my kid off in public, but today I do have to be a little bit careful. I'm in a park and ride car park. So I have put my motorbike in a little corner of the car park, and for modesty's sake, I'm going to put my dress on first. Hope no one's coming. Obviously I could crouch down behind my bike, but then you wouldn't be able to see me. Ooh. Okay, pretty much covered up already. Now for the jeans. So to protect the old tootsies, the next thing I'll do is I'll lay my jacket on the ground so I can take my boots off. So boots off, standing on my jacket, I can now take my jeans off in total modesty. And finally my shoes. Hate wearing a bra on a warm day, so that's coming off. I love this trick. Ta-da! Now to pack everything away, fold up the jacket. I'll pop that one in first, bottom. And jeans. My helmet's going in the top box, so that's all good. Finally the boots. Hope I've left room for some shopping. And pop it back on the bike. Sorted and ready to go. Oh, and one last thing. As for going commando, well, that's entirely your choice. I'm off to catch the bus now. Hope it's not too windy. I'm Bonnie English. If you enjoyed, please like or subscribe.